your thoughts. Why is this age gap so perfect for you? Because it carries a blessing beyond what it sees. The difference in years is not about imbalance. It's about balance. Because you feel like love has passed you by. You've seen others get married, start families, and you're thinking, Lord, when is it my turn? The angels want to assure you today, your turn is coming, and it will be worth every moment you waited. Romans 8:28 reminds us, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, and be called according to His purpose. That means even the delays were working for your good.
That's right, the viral Japanese recipe that melts away excess fat from your belly, arms, legs,